Hello students, and welcome back to semester 2 of chemistry. For those of you who did not have me first semester, my name is Ms. Verbrugge and I'll be your chemistry teacher for this next semester. The purpose of this video is just to give you a general little overview of our Canvas course and how I will run online learning compared to Ms. Westmoreland, or how I'm going to continue to run online learning if you had me first semester. If you did have me first semester, please still watch this video just to make sure nothing has changed and you're still familiar with all of the routines that we're doing with online learning. So every time you go into our chemistry class, you'll see this homepage. This semester we're yellow instead of red. You have a little course overview here, and then you have some buttons that bring you to some different important links. So this will bring you to our syllabus, which will quickly review the first day of class in person, but if you are online, please make sure you read through that syllabus and just understand what is expected of you, as well as the expectations. Lab safety you can ignore for now, since you will be online. You won't be doing any labs with chemicals or anything like that. This will bring you to your daily warm-up, and this will bring you to your current unit that we're studying. This, if you scroll to the bottom of the homepage, is our most important section of our online Canvas classroom. This will show you what you are doing every day. This is where I want you to visit so you know what to do in each class every day of chemistry, okay? So it'll show you the date, what week we're on, your learning target. This is your agenda. This is where you'll be looking, and then your homework. So the most important part is the agenda. Notice that there's different codes for different sections of the class. So red would be for online only, so you'd be doing all of the red sections. Both in class and online will be green, and then in class only is blue. So online learners, you will ignore the blue sections. Okay, so what you can do is notice that some of them are underlined. In this case, for this week, all of them are underlined. If they're underlined, you can click them. So if you click on warm-up 1, so if you click on warm-up number 1, it's taking forever. I don't know why it's working, not working. There you go. It'll bring you to here, and this is your warm-up for the day. So this unit will be studying different things about bonding and answering the questions, why can you eat NaCl, but Na and Cl by themselves are dangerous? So you're going to be considering the following. You're going to be watching this video, reading a little bit of information, and then answering a question. Please notice it says incomplete sentences. All of your warm-ups must be incomplete sentences. Some of your warm-ups, like this one, you will get points right away for completing. Other warm-ups will show 0 out of 0. What those mean is every couple weeks I'll go in and see how many warm-ups you've completed, and if you've completed 5 out of 5, you get 5 points. If you completed 2 out of 5, you get 2 points, and you cannot get those points back, so make sure you're staying on top of your warm-ups. The purpose of warm-ups is to just get started with class, make sure I know, checking for your understanding, making sure that you know what you're doing. Okay, so after you do that, you would submit this assignment and go back to our home page, scroll back to the bottom, and do your second assignment, which is to watch this video if you haven't already. And then the third thing is the Lewis.ChemQuest. So you're going to click in here, and this is how all our assignments are going to look. Sorry, my fireplace just kicked on, so if it got louder, I'm sorry. So there's going to be, every single assignment is going to have a video for you to watch. Here, it's not posted yet because I haven't made it yet, but it'll be posted here. After you watch the video, there'll be an instructional piece here, so the instructions will be both in video form and in words. And then this will be the ChemQuest you're going to be completing and then submitting below. Notice you're submitting a file upload. It is your choice on whether you want to print this out and write it down on paper, do it on a separate sheet of paper, or use a PDF editor to complete these assignments. These assignments need to be completed on your own, independently, and using your best judgment. So that is the home page, okay? That is where you find your assignments. That is what you need to follow every day to learn what you need to get accomplished in chemistry. If there is homework or separate things to do, it'll be posted on the homework side on the side. Another important section is the modules page, okay? Modules is where everything is posted. So at the very top of the modules, there's going to be this video, the Canvas how-to. There's going to be a periodic table that'll be available to you that you could use at all times, and also a lab safety form that's for in-class students, so you can ignore that. A very important section here is going to be the answer key section, okay? So again, this is under modules. After you submit a assignment, I will make this key viewable to you the day the assignment is due, so you can go in and check your work. Okay, warm-ups will be arranged here, as well as each unit. Each unit is arranged in a certain way. Each unit is arranged that has the materials at the top, so you always have access to the Unit 4 PowerPoint. So if you click the PowerPoint, it'll bring you to a new page, and this is the entire PowerPoint we will go through throughout this unit. along with that, we go to modules again. There is also posted here a Unit 4 note packet. This note packet is what I give in-class students and how we take notes throughout the unit. So you can print this out or take your notes online. Just go ahead and make a copy of the packet. There's observations from the demos, your thoughts and ideas, just spots to put your notes. I would highly suggest printing this or having this handy at all times whenever you're in chemistry class, because this is what we'll follow along with. Okay? And then underneath those important documents of the PowerPoint and the note packet, you can see we'll have a project in this unit, which I haven't posted yet. Sorry, I had the hiccups. That'll be there. And then each week is posted. So week 1, this first week of school, you're going to be doing these 2 assignments. Okay, week 2, you're going to be doing these next 2 assignments. If you have questions on that, please let me know. I will be posting some announcements for our class as well. Make sure you're staying up to date with those and you're noticing if I post any announcements. Grades will also be on here, but remember, PowerSchool is our grade book of record. I will try to have the Canvas grades as close as possible to the PowerSchool grades, but always check PowerSchool for your most up-to-date grade. And yeah, for the most part, you can ignore a lot of the other things on the side here. One thing I do want to mention is make sure you have your commenting turned on. I will often comment on your work. I will let you know if you're doing something wrong or incorrect, or if I want you to resubmit something. So always check those comments. If you have any other questions, please let me know. Otherwise, I look forward to getting to know those of you I haven't had yet in class and getting to know you guys more if I did have you first semester. So let me know if you ever have any questions about online learning. Otherwise, have a great day.